Problem number 6. List all events where the total transaction value is within 10% of the event's total resource cost. So, we select the event name and para makuha ang transaction value is isum up na to ang total attendee details cost, and para makuha na to ang total resource cost is isum up na to ang total nga resource cost. So sa event details, links transaction to specific event details, and joining food details includes data on catering services for the events. Venues provides the venue information, organizer details, links to event organizers, and join resources gathers details on the resource cost. Join na to ang event para makuha na to ang event name, and join na to ang attendee details since dahil mga nag-contain ta ng attendee details ng information, i-join na to siya sa event details nga table. I-group din na to ang data by the event name, and sa having condition, this ensures that absolute difference between the total transaction value and total resource cost does not exceed 10% of the total resource cost. So, ma-achieve na to na gamit ani nga part and then 10%, which is the times 0.10. So, this is the following output of the SQL code. And to create the view, create a view that ang name din sa itong view, copy din na to ang SQL code na to, and yung mga result. Store procedure, create na to store procedure, name sa store procedure, delimiter begin, then copy na po sa SQL code, and call din na to ang procedure para makita kung nakastore na ba dito, and tara mo ba output.